This 2021 Forest River XLR Boost 27QBX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.